This 2025 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 263 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 32 feet 7 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 10, skylight, smoke detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, awning, water heater, refrigerator, oven, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 263 BHS is 6,315 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.